Yourself for the record, please.
Davion Ferguson, Technical Director, Jamaica.
Yes, your assessment of the game this afternoon.
This is a perfect game of two halves. I think the first half we started a little bit timid, without confidence. We weren't brave in possession. We had players on the field who were basically hiding from the ball. The pitch never helped the game that we wanted to play. But in the second half, I think we made some changes, and based on how the flow of the game went, we actually dominated the ball for a lot of the second half. Still didn't believe we created enough clear chances to win the game. So in the end, I think a point is a fair result for the team.
And overall, do you satisfy how your team play?
Man, at this stage of the season, there's nothing to be unsatisfied about. Early days, still trying to find a rhythm. And I know that as soon as the competition progresses further, we will definitely hit some new gears.
At second half, you made a wholesale amount of changes. What was the main reason for doing so?
Based on the first half, we never had enough possession, we never had enough control. We like to control games. In the first half, we never had that much control. In the second half, we started to see a little bit more control, so we had a little bit more players on the pitch who were brave, who wanted the ball, and who demanded the ball in all situations. But in the final third, I didn't think we created enough chances to really win the game.
All right, and I think it's a good performance from both teams, as they said, a game of two halves. What was the main problem in the first half why you guys didn't really get that much ball control and control of the entirety of the game in the first half?
I think we never adapted to the pitch. The pitch is not the best to play on, or best to play how we want to play on. St. Catherine adapted very early. They're used to the conditions. They have their crowd, which spurred them on as the game went on. They dominated the duels in the first half. They won most of those duels. In the second half, as I said before, we gained a lot more control based on what we did in terms of the changes and the tactical shifts. But I still think that in the end, we didn't create enough chances to really win the game.
All right, coach, and congrats, and let's see you guys the next game.
Yeah, man.